Check it out. I've got 2 of the 6 Infinity Stones. But I still have no enchanted cards. Hola, como estar? Croco at your service. Gonna open up a set 6 booster pack set. Hopefully we can pull something good. I've yet to open up and find any type of enchanted cards. At this point, even if it's the cheapest one or an item card, location card, it doesn't matter. I want one. I gotta have one. I need one. All right, let's go open some cards and see what we can pull. I opened up a booster set yesterday and I pulled 8 legendary cards. So I'm gonna share that first. I got Hercules. He's a baby in this one. I got Hades. I pulled Oswald. I really like this one. It looks like he's trying to pull down the card. It's one of my favorite cards. One of my favorite legendaries from this set. Can't explain why, but it is. Wreck-It Ralph. This is a pretty good one to have a full set of. Tiana. Have a Tiana. Maui. Half Shark. This one's cool. I think this one's the most expensive one of all the legendaries I have, but this one's a cool one. I have Baymax. And finally, Genie. Again, that was yesterday's pack, so now we're gonna be opening this one. Cool. All right, who do we have on the box? It feels like the main character in this one is Stitch, but they definitely added a lot of Baymax, so that's pretty cool. Yzma's a really cool one, cool enchanted to pull. I've seen a few of those. Hopefully we can see something good today, though. All right, let's start with pack number 1. All right. All right. Heffalumps and Woozles. Okay. Kakamora. Sour Ball. Or Sour Bill, not Sour Ball. What is this? 100 Acre Island. Nice. Mad Hatter Teapot. Twin Fire. Dale. Magic Carpet. Honey Lemon. Nice. You came back. Nice. Ah, there we go. We got our first legendary. We have Jasmine. Royal Commodore is what it says. Very cool. So I don't know how true this is, but I know that they've changed the look of the new legendaries because a lot of people were trying to fake some of the old legendaries. So now that they have this different coating and this different texture, it's a little harder to fake. So, I mean, it looks cool either way, but still. Sucks that people were trying to fake them. And there you go. Go Tamago. And then we got our piece of the puzzle. So that's really cool. We'll save this one up. Pack number 2. And here we'll start a little pile for the pictures and the foils. Whoever wants that one, that's yours. We'll put the picture card right there. All right, so we got Gazelle. What is this? Adora Bezel? Winter Pop. Aunt Cass. Mr. Litwack. Making Magic. Molinus. David. The Walrus. Basil. Scar. Cool. Super rare. Oh, wow. And another legendary. So far, 2 good legendaries. And this one's the foil. This is a holo. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. There's one more behind it. This one's a holo. Yokai. Cool. But let's see this one. Simba. Pride Protector. Wow. Shift 3. At the end of your turn, if this character is exerted, you may ready your other characters. Very cool. Cool. So we'll sleeve him too. So far, the first 2 packs, and there's already 2 legendaries. Very good. Pack number 3. Stitch. Mickey Mouse. Sail the Azurite Sea. I like this card. I'm going to put this one aside because I want to run it. Rabbit. Very good. A very merry unbirthday. Kakamora. David. I think that's Nani's love interest. The Walrus. Prince Philip. Cool. Hades. Wow, this looks nice. Daisy Duck, super rare. Very cool. And this one's a foil. Wow. 3 for 3 on legendaries. That's my, this is only my 3rd pack and I have 3 legendaries. That's really cool. So that is Maui Half Shark Legendary. So that's our 2nd Maui that we have. Cool. Let's put this one aside and sleeve that up later. I gotta protect those. Man, we're doing good. All right, now pack number 4. All right, Sour Bill. Roo. What is it? Yeah, Roo. Sisu. Very good. Heathcliff. Kakamora. I'm still here. Microbots. Pluto. Aladdin. Flotilla. Rafiki. Wow. And John Silver. John Silver's our foil, so we'll put that one aside. Pack number 5. All right, we got Jumbo Pop. Banish this item, remove up to 2 damage from each of your characters and draw a card. Essentially, this is a more expensive popsicle. Chip. Cool. Now we have Chip and Dale. The Carpenter. Another Basil. Michael Darling. Galactic Council Chamber. Hiro Hamada. Hot Potato. Jasmine. Hiram Flavisham. Wow. High lore. Bend to my will. Each opponent discards all cards in their hand. Oh my goodness. That could be damaging. And finally, Jim Hawkins. Very cool. And look, another Jim Hawkins. We'll put that one right there. Cool. Pack number 6. That was a good one. Sour Bill. Tons of Sour Bills, huh? 100 Acre Island. Mad Hatter's Teapot. Prepared to board. Gold coin. Kohat. Hey Hey. Billy Bones. Aladdin. Yokai. And Monterey Jack. Let's see, there's one more. Hercules. Hercules foil. Like it. Like it, and love it. This is my 7th pack. This one is Galactic Communicator. Very cool. Very heavy on the Stitch theme. Michael Darling. Jumbo Pop. Rue. Iago. I'm Iago. I can't even do the impression. Kohat, which is really just a knockoff War Machine. Grand Councilwoman. Can't speak. March Hare. Prince Philip. Goofy. Maleficent Staff. Scar. Oh wow, very nice. This one, when you play this character, deal 2 damage to chosen character of yours to deal 2 damage to chosen character. This is pretty much Teeth and Ambition, or yeah, Teeth and Ambition, but in character form. And that was also our foil. So now, on to the next pack. All right, prepare to board. Gold coin. Ben. Ben. Chip. Fairy ship. Oh, it's a 1 cost too. Hercules. Love me some Hercules. Scrump. Again, sticking very heavily with the Stitch theme. Lose the Way. Megabot. Captain Amelia. That's another super rare. Back-to-back super rares. Mad Hatter. And our foil, Fred. Put that one aside and put the picture card there. Next pack. All right. So we got a location first. I don't... Perilous? It's some type of maze. I'm not even... I don't know. It's late. I'm not going to try to read that. But it's a location card. Moana. Helping Hand. Baby Judy Hopps. Prince Naveen. Sisu. Sunglasses. Bubbles. Owl. Diablo. Myrtle Edmonds. She's a little hater. Owl Island. That's really cool. Tadashi Hamada.
Tadashi 69.
Tadashi 69. And Toothless. Toothless.
Toothless?
No, Toothless. Like no parts. All right, let's see what we got. We got Gadget, Hack Wrench, Chief Bogo.
That's what I had you say. Oh.
Genie. Very nice. Gazelle. I love it. I don't know. Adora Beazle, right? Adora Beazle Winter Pop. Adora Beazle Winter Pop. Another set of sunglasses. Dr. Delbert Doppler. Training Dummy. Longboat. Hiro Hamada. We got a super rare Jim Hawkins. And a Sisu. Oh, it's super rare. That's not a... So we're putting Sisu right there. And then the picture card. All right, next pack. Aunt Cass. I Won't Give In. Tinkerbell. Alistair Cree. Or Alistair Cray. Mickey Mouse. More sunglasses. Nick Wilde. Mr. Smee. John Silver. Mama Odie. We also got, oh cool, we got another legendary. Hades. Very nice. This one is exert, pay 3, banish one of your characters, banish chosen character. Cool. We'll put that one aside too. And then our foil, Nick Wilde. They're extra glittery on this set, I feel. I like it. And we'll put our picture card there. All right, next one. All right. Aunt Cass. Mr. Litwack or Litwack. Making Magic. A lot of the reasons why I'm probably mispronouncing these is because I haven't seen a good portion of these movies. Galactic Communicator. Michael Darling. Twin Fire. Wasabi. We have Jim Hawkins. Jonathan Silver.
Really?
No, it's John Silver. King's Sensor Core. And a Rare Pete. And then finally our foil is Lose the Way. And now we're gonna open up the next pack. We're moving strong. So far we've met our quota of 4 legendary cards.
What are those? Are those more legendary?
No, a lot of these are mixed. So right here we have a pile of our just you know, whatever cards. And these are our foils. These are the previous legendary cards that I have from the other set. And then these are cards that I want to run. All right. So I got Buzz and Fantable here gathered around me. We've congregated to finish the rest of these packs. And we are going to start off with Heffalumps and Woozles. Sounds like Heffalumps and Woozles. Sounds like something that you would need some type of ointment to get rid of. I got Heffalumps and Woozles, guys. Thievery.
Black Eyed Peas.
Yeah. Sour Bill. Just about done with that card. Rue. Sisu. Twin Fire. Let's see. Twin Fire. Deal 2 damage to chosen character. Then you may choose and discard a card to deal 2 damage to another chosen character. That could actually be very, very helpful. Gopher. Diablo. Bellwether. Pretty disappointing villain, not gonna lie. Good movie though. Kakamora. Wow, that's expensive. Won't be using that. We Could Be Immortals. And our foil is Prepared to Board. Very good. Put our picture card there. On to the next pack.
Ooh, you're almost done. Where's the enchanted?
We'll get it. It's there. There is an enchanted. I can feel it. All right, we got Fred.
Okay.
Yeah,
We do. We love Fred.
we love Fred. Lead the way. Nick Wilde.
Where's Nick?
Simba. Nick Calm. Nicholas Calm. That's Nick Wilde. Rafiki.
That's accurate. It's like a boozy on a bomber.
Kakamora. Prince Naveen. Scar. Ooh, that's a really cool looking Scar. So far, this is my favorite art card. That looks awesome. Look at him.
It is pretty cool.
This looks dope. That's my favorite art card so far. Gonna put that aside. Gonna show that to my friend. She might appreciate that one later. Donald Duck. Pooh Pirate Ship. Say that fast. It'll sound very different. All right. Stitch. And our foil, Thievery.
Ooh, can I see that Stitch?
Mucho bueno.
It's a fun looking card.
Okiest of Dokies, next one.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Toothless. That is one unfarty boy. Skull Rock. It's a cool looking location card. Gadget Hack Wrench. I won't give in, and neither will I until I find that enchanted. The White Rose. John Silver. Gopher. Pixie Dust. Basil. Madam Mim. Oh, another Madam Mim.
You completed the image.
Minnie Mouse. And our foil, 100 Acre Island.
What's it called?
100 Acre Island. Cool. We can actually show that at the end. Next pack. Come on, Enchanted. I have a feeling about this one. Nick Wilde. Dale. That's another Dale. Making Magic. Very nice. Prepare to Board. Moana. Jim Hawkins. Pleakley. I think this is the first time we've seen Pleakley in any set. He's a fun character. Mickey Mouse.
You want your pillow?
John Darling. We have a rare Gantu. Very nice. Heavy lore card. 4 lore, and he only costs 5. Not bad. And then we got a super rare Alice. Savvy Sailor. And Dale as our foil. Very cool. Next pack. Dale. Baymax Healthcare Chip. 100 Acre Island. During an opponent's turn, when the character is banished while here, gain 1 more. Oh, cool. Juju. It's a little snake guy. Dawson. 3-4, yeah. Gold coin. I'm still here. Wasabi. Billy Bones. Longboat. Kanga. Oh, that's nice. Whenever this character quests, another chosen character of yours can't be challenged until the start of your next turn. Very nice. I like those type of support cards. Treasure Mountain. At the start of your turn, deal damage to chosen character or location equal to the number of characters here. Ooh. Could be very useful. And our foil, Mad Hatter's Teapot. All right, next pack. There's something therapeutic about opening a new set of cards. Jumbo Pop. Rue. Iago. Alistair Cray, or Cree. I don't know. I'm not saying that right. I just know it. Abu? Abu is a Rush character.
He's Russian?
He's Russian to me. Galactic Council Chamber. Nick Wilde. Mr. Smee. Card Soldier's Spear. Baymax. Winnie the Pooh. A rare Winnie the Pooh, very nice. And a foil rare Winnie the Pooh. Very cool. Put that aside and we'll put our character card there. We're nearing the end, guys. We are nearing the end. We have 6 left total. All right. So whoever needs that, that's yours. Alistair Cree. Abu. Huh. Oh, scared me. Gadget Hack Wrench. Dale. The Carpenter. Sabrina the Carpenter. King Hubert. Chip. Peter Pan. Very cool. Transport Pod. Rescue Rangers Submarine. Lilo. We got a Lilo. Super rare Lilo. And our foil, I Won't Give In.
Yeah, but we're on good terms.
All right. All right. Heathcliff. Kakamora. Gadget Hack Wrench. Chief Bogo. Genie. Galactic Council Chamber. I love me a buy one, get one free. Owl.
No, you didn't do it tonight.
Pixie Dust.
Yeah, exactly.
Myrtle Edmonds. Olivia Flowersham. Wow, this is a really good one too. It's only cost 2. And it's 3 lore. Madam Mim. Super rare Madam Mim. And we got a foil Mickey. Very nice and glittery. We'll put that to the side. Put a picture card there. All right. We're nearing the end, guys. But there's still hope for that enchanted card. Dawson. Dawson's Creek. Markowski. Institute of Technology. At the Institute of Technology. Naveen's Ukulele. Tinkerbell. Tinky Winky Bell. We got Jim Hawkins. Rescue Rangers Away. March Hare. Bellwether. Jasmine. And wow, we got another legendary card. John Silver. Wow, he looks nice. Shift 5. You may pay 5 to play on top of another character named John Silver. He has Resist 2. Very strong card. Resist 2. At the start of your turn, deal 1 damage to each opposing ready character. Essentially, this plays just like, what is it, Giant Tinkerbell. Strong card there if you can use them. And our foil, Kakamora. Put our picture card there. Foil there, and then we'll put this in the side. Very nice. Countdown. 3. Sail the Azurite Sea. I like this card, so I'm going to put it to the side. Mr. Litwack, or Litwalk. I will pronounce it correctly one day. I just, probably not today. Iago. Heffalumps and Woozles. Thievery. Mr. Arrow. Yokai. Unfortunate Situation. The Islands I Pulled from the Sea. Calhoun. Judy Hopps. Helping Hand. And this is our foil. All right. Countdown to number 2. Yokai. Simba. Genie. Stitch. Abu. John Silver. Prepare your bot. Jim Hawkins. Vanellope von Schweetz. Raya. Genie. This is an expensive card. Not really, it's just like 14 bucks, but still it's a sought out for card. And Abu. Abu foil. Put that there. And our final card. Here's to hoping this is our enchanted card. Gadget Hack Wrench. Dale. The Carpenter. Heffalumps and Woozles. Kakamora. Hercules. Prepare Your Bot. Tuk Tuk. Kakamora. Wendy Darling. Cobra Bubbles. And our final card of this pack, Ben, our foil. Well, that was fun. It always is. It's always a very nice experience opening brand new cards. Nothing like opening a card pack without struggle. And a lot of these were fairly easy to open. But anyway, this is the first part of set 6. Let me know what you guys think. Do y'all like this set? Is it worth running? Is it worth having any of these cards or a lot of these cards? Most or select cards in your decks? Which ones are you running? Which ones are you not running? Interact with us. Let us know what you think. But thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. This is our aftermath of what we've done today. And this is our little pile that we've set aside. But thanks so much for watching, guys.